There's a simple but powerful trick about your electronic devices that might shock you. One that can make them come back to life and shine again, even when you thought they were gone for good. Picture this: a mountain of electronics stacked to the ceiling, laptops, phones, drills, marked as junk. But the shocking truth? Most of them could be saved in minutes. Inside you'll learn how to safely recondition car batteries, laptop packs, cordless tool batteries, vacuums, toys, and more. The exact steps to extend the life of new batteries so they don't fail early. Simple methods anyone can follow, no special tools, no complicated jargon, just household items and clear instructions. How to protect your devices, save money, and cut down on waste starting today. So today, for a limited time only, if you act right now, we're cutting that price in half. Today, you can get Easy Battery Fix for just $49. The order is secure and confidential. Click the button below now to secure your copy of Easy Battery Fix and start reviving your batteries today. The order is secure and confidential. So go ahead and invest in Easy Battery Fix today. The order is secure and confidential. And just to remind you, here's what you'll master inside Easy Battery Fix. How to protect your batteries and power packs so they last longer than manufacturers intended. The simple steps to extend battery life and keep them performing at their best. How to repair and revive almost any type of battery you'll ever encounter. The secrets to safely reconditioning energy storage units like solar batteries, e-bike packs, and more. Maintenance tricks that prevent common failures and save you hundreds over the years. Especially when all you have to do is click the Buy Now button below right now. The order is secure and confidential. Click the button below now and secure your copy of Easy Battery Fix while this opportunity is still available. The order is secure and confidential. Click the button below now and secure your copy of Easy Battery Fix while this opportunity is still available. The order is secure and confidential. Then click the Buy Now button below. Then enter your basic information on the next page and you can get started reconditioning your old batteries just minutes from right now. The order is secure and confidential. In order to keep him anonymous, the author used a pen name, Jonathan Riker. Copyright 2025 EasyBatteryFix.com, all rights reserved. For product support, please contact the vendor here. For order support, please contact ClickBank here.